Quick heads up before you create your GoHighLevel account. There are actually different trial offers available depending on where you sign up from. If you use the link I've provided below, you'll get access to a 30-day trial rather than the shorter trial that many people end up with. That gives you an entire month to explore the platform and see whether it's a good fit for your business. Personally, I think that's important because GoHighLevel isn't the type of software you fully test in a day or two. Between the CRM, funnel builder, automation tools, email marketing, calendars, websites, and lead management features, there's a lot to explore. The good news is that getting started only takes a few minutes. Just click the link, create your account, and follow the setup process. From there, you'll be able to jump into the platform and start using the features immediately. I've also arranged a few bonus resources for people who use that sign-up page. Rather than covering them all in this video, I've listed everything in the description below, so you can check them out there. So if you're thinking about trying GoHighLevel, use the link below. Claim the extended 30-day trial and take advantage of the extra bonuses while they're available.